You say good morning. You say good morning, Des. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh gosh. Okay, so today we are going to film everything we do. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Tutu.
You're so cute. Okay, so we are actually out of bed now. I'll show you where we were sleeping. So, this was the bottom bunk right here. And Cozy usually sleeps up here. Hey, Coz. And so in the night we just all snuggle up with each other. These are like, this is like a full size. They're stacked, so it's really good because you can actually fit 2 adults here. So that's really nice. What are you doing, bud? Are you hungry? You want to eat some food now? Okay. Let's make some breakfast. Okay. What are we having for today's breakfast? What in the world? What are you eating today? We got yogurt, pretzels, and
Banana.
And a banana.
And a toy.
This is what Georgie does, huh? This is how he eats food. Alright, so that's basically our morning. They eat, I wait till they're done, then I eat. And I do the dishes from all of the little tiny meals that happen in the middle of the night, mostly from Nicholas. And then I try and clean up the whole trailer. I vacuum, sometimes I mop, pick up all the hidden toys, and then since it's a little bit warm today, we'll probably be outside most of the day. And here is the view right outside the kitchen window. So pretty. There's our little fire right there. The sun's coming up right through the trees. So my parents own about 20 acres out here in northern Georgia, and they have RV hookups. They're actually parked right in front of us. And so we started here because we've only been doing this for about a week. And so we're just staying here until we fix some bugs in the trailer, like the fridge and the water heater wasn't working too. And we're just kind of settling in. So that's why we're here. Start.
What?
Okay, there it goes. There goes our clothes. Hey, are you ready to go outside? Come on. Did you touch something? Come on, don't touch. Don't touch. Let's go outside. So let's go out and play, okay?
Yay!
You got a stick? Where's your stick? Good job, Nala. Hello everybody, it is another day and I'm walking down to the creek. I've got me some cookies for Nick and the kids, and Nick went and bought some gold panning stuff and he is going to go and find some gold on our creek here. Or like you can see the trailer. So the big giant fifth wheel is ours, and then the one right in front of it is my parents. They're here too, and that's our white truck too. So this is about, you're looking at like 20 acres of North Georgia land. So pretty. So I'm gonna walk down and see if they've had any luck. He thinks he is going to find some gold here and make some money, but we all know that probably won't happen, but maybe it will, and it'll be fun to see. Hey, Nala girl! Wait for me! Hey, get back here! Did you see her? There's that Nala girl! Hey, what you got? doing, Des boy? Come back. Come back. Are you throwing rocks? Show Mama. Throw those rocks. Oh, you want a cookie?
Yeah.
All right, get you a cookie. Oh, good boy. There you go. That good? Yum. Hi, I got you some cookies. You want some? You want that big one? Did Daddy find any gold?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Get it.
Oh, good. Hi, Daddy-o.
Hi.
Any luck?
I'm just getting buckets.
How come you picked this spot?
Well, it's a good catch zone right here.
You think this is bedrock?
I can't tell.
Yeah.
I don't think so. I mean, it's
Daddy.
maybe up there, but this is kind of layered. I don't know. It's breaking apart.
Daddy, Mama, come
I
down.
can't tell.
Do you want a cookie? They're pretty good.
A cookie? Yeah.
Let me get a cookie pizza.
A cookie pizza? That would be yummy, huh?
Thanks, Mama.
You're welcome. So, our limited knowledge of gold panning is you look for the bedrock, and usually around the bedrock is, they call it like a pool, and that's where the water will slow down, and the gold will sink down into the little pool of water, and so that's why Nick's digging there. Oh boy. Hey! Come on out! Go this way now! Out! Out! Come here! Come on! I'll pull you out! Come here! Come on! Come on! Careful! Careful! Okay, so I had to leave. Desmond wouldn't stop crying. I literally just hauled him up this hill on my back, and he's soaking wet because, as you saw, he fell in the water. So I'm gonna put him down for a nap. I guess I can show you our outside before I put that little goober down. So I have not cleaned up. So this is kind of a real deal here. So here's our trailer. It's an Astoria, and it's a 3123 BHF. It's 35 feet long, and so you can tell there's some bunks right here. And coming out here, we bought this huge rug to kind of keep the area a little drier. It's obviously a mess right now. We have wet clothes from the other night and older clothes, Crocs, because that's all we wear. More Crocs, a potty. This is an outdoor kitchen. Right now, that is our only working fridge. So our fridge doesn't work right now, and we're waiting for a whole new fridge to come in. So we get a brand new fridge, but we have to use that tiny little one right now. So you can kind of, I don't know if you can see, but there's LED lights right there for the awning. This is all underneath storage. I'm not even gonna show you because Nick destroyed it. We have a little picnic table right here. This is a fireplace. Well, this is a little fire pit that my parents made in our little stack of wood. They have a big shipping container full of just tools and tractor stuff. And this road will go it goes all the way down. It's really pretty. And all along here is where the creek is. Hey, you don't get in that mud. You're supposed to go take a nap. Hey, you listen to me. They put gravel all along here. It's like almost 30 feet across. This is my parents' trailer, and they have this huge cover, which makes it really nice when it rains. So here you can kind of see it a little better. It obviously doesn't fit two trailers back to back, but it's really big and huge. And this is kind of where we just hang out. So that's our little outside setup, and next I'll show you if Nick finds any gold. Hey, let's go take a nap, come on! Yeah, let's go take a nap! Yeah! Well, look at you! So, anything?
I need a classifier so that I can pour my dirt in so I can get out all the half-inch rocks and stuff.
Have you found any flakes?
No, this is my first pan.
Can you see anything?
It's not time yet.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh, are you looking for gold? There's no gold? Yeah, turn that off. Oh, turn it off the other way. The other way. Oh, are you so cold? Can I wrap you up? Did you get all wet? Oh, is that better? There you go. Did you get all wet in there? Yeah. There. That better? Good job. Where did you go? Boo. Are you sleeping in my bed? What? Where are you? Ah! Peekaboo. Where are you? Where's Desmond? Peekaboo. You're crazy. You're a crazy boy. Okay, so that's the end of our vlog. Thank you for watching, everyone. Did you poo-poo? Did you poo-poo? You stink. Let's go change your bum.